Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Jyoti Batra. So today we will learn median, computation of median that comes in business statistics. So for the BCom students and BBA students, they can learn median. So we have some series, individual series, discrete series and continuous series. So through individual series, how we can calculate the median? First, you should have to arrange the data, locate the middle value. So in this formula is small m equals to n plus 1 divided by truth value. So here I have given some example. These are the some x values. First we should arrange the data. So this is the data in serial number according x. We are having that arranging in the values. Then putting the formula small m comes, the value is fifth item. So serial number in that fifth item is representing 190. So 190 is your median. So this is the individual series. Now discrete series. In discrete series also you should arrange the data, calculate the cumulative frequency, then formula small m equals to n plus 1 divided by truth value, which lies in cumulative frequency that goes in the your median. So these are the example. Here I have given some question. X are given, frequency is given. In this there is no sequence. You should arrange the data in a ascending order or descending order. So here I have given the data in a ascending order. X is representing the ascending order. That frequency should be required. This frequency comes into the cumulative frequency. How we will calculate the cumulative frequency? Just add on the next one. 4 comes 4, then next 4 plus 7 comes 11, then 7 plus 10 and 4 comes 21, then 16 plus 21 37, 37 plus 18 55, then so on we goes to the. So this total should be that sigma f equals to 156. So this total and the last number of cumulative frequency should be same. So here we will use small m, n plus 1 divided by truth value, and represent the total number of frequency. We will put that value 156 plus 1 divided by 2. It comes 78.5th item. 78.5th item, which lies in cumulative frequency. Where it is lying? That lies in, it covers 78.5, it covers in 80. So this will goes in that representing 16. So that x is your median. In discrete series it comes right this way. Now continuous series. Continuous series formula should be m equals to n by truth item. M equals to capital M equals to L1 plus small m minus c, that is cumulative frequency, and divided by frequency, those comes under the that position. Then I representing the class interval. So here I have given some example. Marks are given in the class interval 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15 and so on. So the marks representing by the number of students. These are our frequency. 0 to 5 representing 4 students. So this is our frequency. So in this you have to be prepared cumulative frequency, just like in the discrete series. 4 comes 4, then 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 16, 36, 36 plus 12, 48, 48 plus 8, 56, 56 plus 4, 60. So the last figure and the total of frequency should be same. So this is also representing the n or sigma f. So small m comes in this way, n divided by 2. So n is representing a 60 divided by 2. That comes 30th item. 30th item is representing where? That in under 36. 36 goes in that 15 to 20 median group. So our median group is 15 to 20. So 15 to 20 we are taking median group. Then the formula m equals to L1 plus m minus c divided by f into I we will use for this calculating median. So L1 will be 15, your lower limit of median group. 30, that is representing your small m, minus 20. Minus 20 means where the 30 is lying, that above cumulative frequency. So that is 20 divided by 16. 16, that frequency is representing in that median group. Into 10, 10, the difference or class interval of the median group, that is 5. Then it comes in this by formula. We will calculate median, that is 18.125 marks. So that's all for today. So individual series, discrete series and continuous series, I have given that description in a short way. Thank you so much.